In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot outbound calling, along with a brief overview of how HubSpot calling works. HubSpot is a powerful platform for managing your customer relationships and sales processes, and its calling feature can greatly enhance communication with your clients and leads. So, let's dive in and get you set up. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. You can do this by simply entering the trial guide URL into your browser, and it will take you directly to the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional page. Once you're there, the key is to make yourself comfortable with this interface because that's where you'll find all the features you need to start making outbound calls. Now that you're on the trial guide page, the next step is to click on Settings. The Settings menu is your gateway to customizing and configuring your HubSpot tools. It's located in the upper right-hand corner of the page, easily accessible for necessary tweaks and updates as you get the hang of using HubSpot. Clicking on Settings will open up a plethora of options, but don't get overwhelmed. We're focusing on setting up calling abilities today. As you navigate through the settings, you'll want to locate and click on Calling. This is where you can access all features related to making calls through HubSpot. The calling settings allow you to set up your preferences, manage your phone numbers, and integrate any existing calling tools you may already use. Once you're in the calling settings, you will need to click on Get Started. HubSpot guides you through this process with intuitive instructions right from this point. Click on Get Started to begin configuring your outbound calling preferences. HubSpot will provide prompts and fields for you to input necessary information such as your phone number, any area codes you frequently dial, and any additional preferences. Throughout this setup, pay careful attention to any instructions provided. They will help you verify your phone number, ensuring it's linked correctly. HubSpot's verification process is straightforward, often involving a simple call or text to confirm your number. This step is crucial because once verified, you'll be able to make calls directly from HubSpot's interface. As you complete these steps, remember that the calling feature is designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing workflow, minimizing any disruption while offering maximum functionality. HubSpot's calling feature is not only convenient, but helps keep your communications logged and organized, aiding your sales strategies and customer management. So, there you have it. A straightforward pathway to setting up outbound calling in HubSpot. With this feature in place, handling client calls becomes a part of your streamlined sales process. Dive in, start exploring, and take advantage of the powerful communication tools at your disposal.